Conceptual planting is a great way to convey your planting ideas at an early stage. Do you have a list of plants used on past projects that you might want to use? Go to the Concept Plant Manager from the FX Planting tab. Create a concept group in the desired plant type section. Pick a symbol that will represent that group and assign a symbol width. If you don't know what plants you want to use just yet, that's okay. Simply start designing with the respective group symbol around your plant. Add new plants on the fly through the LandFX plant database. Or quickly import any set of plants that you may want to use from past projects. Even add plants that you have already added to your current project's plant manager. Edit each plant as desired and start your conceptual planting design. You can run a concept plant schedule to see what plant types are within your different concept groups. This is a great way to discuss and review your design with the client. Once this is done and you've decided on the final plant types and placements, use the Edit Plant tool from the FX Planting tab. Click a concept plant and you will be prompted to select a specific plant from the list you created within that concept group. If the plant does not exist in the list, click Add New to pick the exact plant needed. If the plant you have selected still needs a symbol, you will be prompted to pick the desired symbol and then which plants you would like to convert. Pick one at a time if only a few will be converted, or window across a section or the entire plan to convert all concept plants of that type. Your concept plants are now regular plants. You can also use the Match Properties tool to quickly convert concept plants, either one by one or by windowing across a set of plant blocks. Simply pick your source plant and then the destination plants that you would like converted. Make your conceptual planting plan come alive with LandFX.